Hello and welcome, my friend. I'm Peter, and you're listening to the English Talk Show, where we bring you real English, real stories, and real progress, day by day, step by step. I'm so glad you're here. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like English is just a little too fast, a little too much to follow? Well, don't worry. That's why we created this series, Beginner English Listening, a space where you can slow down, breathe, and enjoy learning English the natural way through simple, rich storytelling. So stay with me until the end of this episode, because I'll help you learn new vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and sharpen your listening skills in a way that feels easy and enjoyable. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment after the episode. Let me know where you're listening from and which part of the story you liked most. I'd love to hear from you. All right. Are you ready? Here we go.
Anna and the Hidden Waterfall. It was early morning in Greenwood, a peaceful village surrounded by trees, hills, and the soft sound of a river flowing nearby. Birds were singing, and golden sunlight was shining through the window of a small wooden house. Inside that house, a young woman named Anna was getting ready for the day. She tied her hair, packed a small bag, and took a sip of hot tea. Today, she had one goal: to find the hidden waterfall her grandmother had told her about when she was a child. "Follow the river," her grandmother had said. "When you find the rock that looks like a bear, turn left. Then keep walking until you hear the sound of falling water." Anna smiled as she remembered the words. She stepped outside and began her walk. The air was cool, the grass was wet with morning dew, and the sky was bright blue. As she walked, she said words quietly to herself, practicing English. Tree, flower, river, stone, sunshine. After a while, she reached a fork in the path. One way led into the forest. The other followed the river. She chose the river path, just like her grandmother had said. Suddenly, she heard a noise in the bushes. It was a rabbit. The little brown rabbit looked at her for a moment, then hopped away.
Anna laughed. "You scared me, little one," she said, "but thank you for the company." A few more steps, and she saw it. A giant rock near the riverbank. It was round and large, and yes, it really did look like a bear lying down. "This must be the place," she whispered. Behind the rock was a small trail hidden by tall grass. Anna carefully stepped onto the trail and walked slowly. The sound of water grew louder. And then she saw it. A beautiful waterfall fell into a clear pool below. The water sparkled in the sun, and mist filled the air. Anna stood still, breathing in the fresh, clean scent. "It's perfect," she said. She sat on a nearby rock, took out her notebook, and wrote, "The waterfall is beautiful. I feel calm and happy. This is my secret place." That was it. A simple story. A peaceful moment. But there's so much we can learn from it, so let's break it down together. Now that you've heard the story, let's look at the useful vocabulary and everyday expressions from it. I'll first give you a list of the most important words and phrases, and then we'll go through them one by one. Sound good? Take a deep breath, maybe grab a notebook, and let's begin. Vocabulary and expressions list. Peaceful. Do. Goal. Rock that looks like a bear. Fork in the path. Hop. Mist. Sparkle. Secret place. You scared me. Thank you for the company.
Now, let's explore each one, slowly, together. 1. Peaceful. Greenwood was a peaceful village. Peaceful means quiet, calm, and without stress. We use it to describe places, moments, or even people. Example: I like peaceful mornings with coffee and soft music. What's a peaceful place for you? 2. Do. The grass was wet with morning dew. Dew is the light moisture or water drops that form on grass early in the morning. It's a beautiful word and quite poetic. 3. Goal. Today, she had one goal. A goal is something you want to do or achieve. Example: my goal is to speak English confidently. Think about your own goal in learning English. Say it out loud. 4. Rock that looks like a bear. This is a visual expression. Fun, right? We often describe things by comparing them to something else. Example: that cloud looks like a dragon. Using comparisons like this makes your English sound more natural. 5. Fork in the path. She reached a fork in the path. A fork is when one road becomes two. You must choose which way to go. It's also used metaphorically. Example: I'm at a fork in the road in my career. That means I have a big decision to make.
6. Hop. The rabbit hopped away. To hop means to jump, usually in a small, quick way, like a bunny or a child. Example: the child hopped across the stones. Try hopping right now, just once. It makes you smile, doesn't it? 7. Mist. Mist filled the air. Mist is like a soft cloud of water in the air, often near waterfalls or in the morning. It's thinner than fog. Example: there was mist in the valley after the rain. 8. Sparkle. The water sparkled in the sun. Sparkle means to shine with little flashes of light. Example: her eyes sparkled with joy. This word adds beauty and emotion. 9. Secret place. This is my secret place.
A secret place is somewhere special, private, meaningful, just for you. It could be a spot in nature or even a memory. Do you have a secret place? Think about it for a moment. 10. You scared me. Anna says this to the rabbit. It means, you surprised me in a way that made me jump. Example, oh, you scared me. I didn't see you there. You can use this in daily conversation, especially when someone pops up unexpectedly. 11. Thank you for the company. Anna says this to the rabbit too. How sweet. Company here means presence, having someone or something with you. Example, I enjoyed your company today. You can use this in social settings. It's polite and warm. So, what did we learn today? We learned that even a simple story can teach us beautiful vocabulary, emotional expressions, and everyday phrases that make your English sound more real and alive. And most importantly, we learned that English isn't just about grammar rules. It's about moments, images, feelings, and connection. Like Anna, you can walk with the language. Talk to yourself as you walk. Write small notes. Describe the world around you in simple words. That's powerful. That's English you remember. If you enjoyed today's episode, please let me know in the comments. What was your favorite word or phrase from the story? Do you have a secret place like Anna's? And of course, subscribe so you won't miss the next short story. There's so much more coming. Thank you for learning with me today. Until next time, I'm Peter, and this is English Talk Show, where English becomes your everyday adventure. Take care, my friend. Keep practicing, keep growing. Bye for now.